gives me immense pleasure to invite the incredibly talented, multifaceted and insightful lady Sapna Bhattacharya. Sapna, please join us. For many of us, we know her OG, Anna from Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. Please welcome the graceful, charismatic, multifaceted Suchitra Krishnamurthy. Known for her memorable. Please put your hands together. We have a very special guest who is a powerhouse. It's an absolute honor to invite our second chief guest, one of the most gifted and celebrated talents of our industry, Arif Zakaria. His remarkable performances across films, theatre and digital platforms has consistently captivated audiences with his depth, elegance and powerful screen presence.
Starts writing and you're staring at the computer and you start writing your thoughts already faster than your hands on your keyboard and you're like, what do I name them? I said, let me name them A and B in the beginning, I'll look at it later. But then what happened is every time I went back to finding a name for them, I was like, if I give them a name, at every step both of them will be judged because of their religion, because of their caste, because of where they come from. Let me not give them a name. It's easy for me and it serves my purpose also.
Absolutely, because Bollywood has been dominated by Rahul. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. तो we were all taken back कि मैम ने नाम क्यों नहीं रखा. ये A B equation लग रहा था दोबारा स्कूल में आ गए.
Yes, no, but that was the basic.
Their names are never revealed.
No, there are no. Their names are A and B. That's it.
Just for
non-binary, binary word.
yeah.
Symbols, alphabet.
Yeah.
I thought A was me.
In fact, you can just give them brief about the what is A and B. Trailer ने तो सब कुछ बता ही दिया.
Yeah, so they are two girls who work together, and then, as it is, like a friend of mine just walked in and she had started reading, and she said, you know, I was like, she's just written everything as to what happens in offices. So I was like, that's a good review to start with. But yes, that's what they are, the rivalries and the bondings that happen in office. And A and B are, B is someone who makes A discover herself.
Is it a love story?
It is not a love
It's not
story.
a love story, she
No
said.
love story brewing here.
Okay.
So it is not a love
Story
story.
with two girls, two ladies.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
two
that's the
girls.
story of two.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No romance, nothing. No man comes in between them.
No,
well,
it's not a love story between two women. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah.
So Arif, when you watch a
No love
movie
story.
and दो मेन हीरो होते हैं,
बुक लॉन्च पे मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि सपना जी ने आखिरकार अपनी किताब बाहर निकाली. बहुत अरसे से मैं जानता हूँ उनको और वो कई वर्षों से उन्होंने ये इजहार प्रकट किया था कि वो किताब लिखना चाहती हैं, कहानी ढूंढ रही थी, फिर लिख रही थी. तो इन सब चीज़ों में समय लगता है, लेकिन मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि आज ये संकलन हो गया और ये किताब उन्होंने आज निकाली. और मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया इस ओकेजन पे. और मैं उनको बहुत वर्षों से जानता हूँ. उनके ब्रदर संजीव भट्टाचार्य थे जो उनकी वजह से मैं शायद इस इंडस्ट्री में आया था. तो कनेक्शन बहुत पुराना था और ये एक नया अध्याय उनका है और मैं उनका शुभचिंतक हूँ. और मैं यही प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि दूसरी किताब लिखे और ये लिटरेचर का सिलसिला, लिटरेरी सिलसिला जारी रखें.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, उसका क्या बुक के थ्रू क्या मैसेज देना चाहा?
पता नहीं, पढ़ी नहीं है मैंने, लेकिन दो महिलाओं की कहानी है और मुंबई शहर इसमें दर्शाया गया है. जो कठिनाइयाँ, दुविधाएं, वो आपस में कैसे एक दूसरे का सहारा बनते हैं. एक मानवता मुझे शायद लगता है कि इस किताब में टपकती है. तो पढ़ने के बाद पता चलेगा कि इसका सार क्या है और क्या कहना चाहती है. लेकिन जहाँ तक मैं उनको जानता हूँ, उनका एक्सपीरियंस था, वो भी काम करती थी किसी में, तो उन्होंने एक अच्छी शैली में लिखी होगी ये कहानी और एक पॉजिटिव कहानी होगी जिसमें जीवन का सार छुपा होगा, जीवन का रस छुपा होगा और कैरेक्टर्स एक दूसरे को हेल्प करते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है ओवरऑल ये एक बड़ी पॉजिटिव कहानी उन्होंने लिखी है और मैं बड़ा उत्सुक हूँ इसको पढ़ने के लिए.
सर आपकी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है आरिफ जी, और काफ़ी मैंने आपको काफ़ी सालों से देख रहा हूँ, काफ़ी अवार्ड भी लिया, काफ़ी अच्छा काम भी आपने
जी
किया है।
शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद।
और आपका एक नाम है बॉलीवुड में। तो आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट आपके, और क्या कहना चाहेंगे, किसके साथ में कैसे क्या काम करना चाहेंगे?
आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहा हूँ, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स अब एक नेटफ्लिक्स का शो शूट कर रहे हैं, 2-3 छोटी फिल्में मैंने की हैं, तो इस वर्ष में आपको शायद ये अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म पे नजर आएगा।
और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर
बस ठीक है, धन्यवाद।
ऑडियंस को?
ऑडियंस बस ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, किताब पढ़िए, खुश रहिए और एक दूसरे से स्नेह और प्यार से बात कीजिए और पॉजिटिव रहिए, बस इससे अलावा।
बॉलीवुड के लिए क्या मैसेज है सर?
किसके लिए?
बॉलीवुड के लिए।
बॉलीवुड के लिए कोई मैसेज नहीं है, बहुत छोटा पैदा हूँ, वो बहुत छोटा पुर्जा हूँ बॉलीवुड का। मैं कोई संदेश किसी को देना नहीं चाहता हूँ, जो कर रहा है वो करे, शिद्दत से करे और जान लगा के करे। दैट्स ऑल। थैंक यू।
काफी इस पर आपने मेहनत की है और एक आपकी हॉबी भी है, वहाँ ट्रेलर लॉन्च भी किया आपने और बुक की लॉन्चिंग भी है। तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे अपने ऑडियंस से, लोगों से, ये क्या मैसेज?
किताब को पढ़िए और इंस्पिरेशन आपको मिलेगी, आपको रिलेटेबिलिटी मिलेगी कि ज़िंदगी में हर किसी के साथ, हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में भी होती है, तो उससे डरना नहीं होता है, उससे सीखना होता है और सीख के बाहर निकलना होता है उन तकलीफ़ों से।
तो ये जो आपने ट्रेलर लॉन्च किया है, इसमें क्या पूरा शूट भी किया है आपने?
हाँ जी, शूट किया है इसको।
तो ये किस पे लॉन्च है, कभी होगा ये?
यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल है, यूट्यूब पे लॉन्च हो गया है।
बुक कहाँ कहाँ कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिलेगा?
ये अमेज़ॉन पे मिलेगी बुक और बुक स्टोर्स पे भी मिलेगी।
ये बुक के बारे में थोड़ा सा कुछ मैसेज क्या मैसेज?
What message that you want to give to the audience?
I've done that, I've said that.
This will go on YouTube.
Yeah, okay. So basically, it's a book that you can relate with, you can get inspired from, and you can relate to the fact that B is there in everybody's life.
और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Anything that you
नेक्स्ट
want
बुक
to go
आपका कभी कुछ
viral.
ऐसा कुछ प्लान है?
Anything that you want to go viral, if OTT are listening or anything,
Yeah.
and I hope that they like something.
Yes.
Because this will go Google पे जाएगा ना
Correct,
YouTube.
correct,
Okay.
correct.
So,
जी मैम।
can I say it? It's a very layered story, which can be adapted as a series, and there are a lot of layers. It's when you see at the cover, you are only looking at A and B, but there are a whole lot of other characters and very interesting characters, and their paths cross in the story, and there are different tracks in the story. So, and basically it's how she self-discovers herself. It's a coming of age story. When you step out of the cocoon of the protection of your house, then you're not prepared for what the world is. You feel the world is as simple as how your parents have kept you or how your life has been. But then when you step out, it really is a surprise and a shock. So I think when somebody reads it, especially the younger generation, when they read it, they'll relate to the fact that you don't have to give up when a bee is there. In fact, they should adapt to the situation and come over it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sapna goes back many decades. I have known her to be an extremely talented and hardworking and tenacious and bright woman, and I'm very, very glad to have been given the opportunity to be a part of her first release, and I'm sure it's going to be a great read. It sounds like a lot of fun, and it is 90s India, so I'm looking forward to reading it, and all the best, Sapna.
बुक लॉन्चिंग के बारे में आज के दिन क्या कहना चाहेंगे और आज का ही दिन क्यों चुना?
Okay. Hi, I'm Harry Anand, and I have come for this hosting of this beautiful book, which is When A Met B. ये बहुत ही beautiful story है. Two different personalities जो collide होती हैं और बहुत ही opposite है ये दोनों भी personalities. जिस तरीके से सपना जी ने ये किताब लिखी है, it's mind blowing. You actually feel what is happening in corporate world, the competition, the rivalry, the emotions. So this book, मेरे हिसाब से, is a full bag of emotions. It's a beautiful amalgamation of your feelings. So enjoy, get your copies, signed copies from Tidal Waves. Thank you.
लोगों के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इस बुक में ऐसी क्या बात है कि लोगों को अच्छा मैसेज मिले और
The message in the book is very clear. आप जहाँ भी हैं, जो भी वर्क प्लेस में हैं, be strong, then only you can survive. Don't compromise with your values at all. Just be strong और आप जहाँ भी हो success पाओगे. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pooja Madan and I'm an artist, and I have been in the production with Sapna Didi. She has been my producer, and from the producer to Didi to now a great author, I wish her all the best, and looking forward to reading When A Met B. Thank you.
Harika Puri. I am, you could say, a friend to Sapna auntie. Actually, my mother and she are very close friends. So I have grown up with her in my life. She's always been a very important, pivotal part. She was a writer. She's always been an example of a strong, independent woman in my life. This is what happens when you're a journalist, you work in ad as a producer, and you're writing films. And that's been my journey as well. So I feel like it's mirrored in her, and whatever she does is always such an inspiration to me. And I'm so happy that Auntie has got this book, her baby, out there into the world for all of us to read. I haven't read it yet, but I am very excited to, especially because it's not a love story, which I think is a very nice disclaimer to put in there. And it's about the 90s, which is a time when I was so young. And sometimes when you're that young, you don't remember that era well. You want to be nostalgic about things, but those are things you don't remember. And I feel like this book will be not only a very good flashback for someone like me to remember the 90s Bombay that I grew up in, but I also want to see if it reflects a corporate culture that's very different from the times today, or are we humans just condemned to repeat the same mistakes and have the same behavioral traits? So I'm very excited to read this book, and I am giving all my love, my deepest, heartiest congratulations to Sapna Auntie and to everyone else who worked so hard to make this book possible. It's a beautiful cover. This is one of the best book launches I've attended. It's been so warm. So thank you all for having me, and thank you for the signed copy. I can't wait to start reading.
I am Prasanna Vishwanathan, and I'm really eagerly looking forward to reading the book When A Met B. And I think all of you all should go and grab a copy soon. And it's been so lovingly written by Sapna Bhattacharya ji, and we've come here for the launch, and it's been so wonderful and insightful to learn what made her do this and what her journey has been till now. So yeah, to find out more, please go ahead, जाइए और ले लीजिए, खरीद लीजिए और पढ़िए. एंड थैंक्स टू सपना जी, या जो ट्रेलर समय ने बनाया, समय भट्टाचार्य ने, मैं उसमें थोड़ा सा मैंने म्यूज़िक कंपोज किया है और एक थीम बनाया है और उसके साउंड डिज़ाइन भी थोड़ा बहुत किया है. सो दैट हैज़ बीन, इस ज़रिए मैं इस किताब का एक छोटा सा अंश हूँ.
Everyone, I'm Manashri Saha. I'm a book blogger. My page is My Word Bubble. So I have read a lot of genres and I enjoy reading a lot of books. So I think When A Met B is a really interesting concept and something where two female characters are the leads, and I think that is something which intrigued me a lot. So looking forward to reading this book, and all the best to Sapna ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, my name is Sajid. I just attended this event for the new book, and I mean, it's a great thing. I'm an aspiring author myself, so it was actually great to be a part of this event. Lovely at the book launch.
यूथ के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बुक लॉन्च हुआ है.
I mean, खुद youth हूँ. It's a good thing. I mean, people are reading books. I think much often now. Since the past 10 years, I think people weren't that intrigued about reading books, and now it's a big thing. So happy about it.
My name is Altaf Merchant, and I have been an avid reader, and I understand what it takes to write a book, and I wish Swapna ma'am all the very best, and I would really ask her to write such books more often. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Samay Bhattacharya, and that's my mom's book. So yes, I'm quite excited to see the book is finally out, and it's been 5 years. I have been through with her this whole journey. I just want you to go pick up this book and read it, and do let us know your reviews, your feedback, how it is. Just love your feedback. Read it and let us know. Thank you so much.
I'm an advocate and an author myself, so I know what this moment means for an author, and it's a very, very celebratory moment when you finally see a book in hand and at a launch. And I would like to wish Sapna all the best
And for this wonderful book that she's written, recreating the 90s era, I so look forward to that, because not only the city but all of us were evolving at that point of time. And I wish her all the best and many more publications.
Thank you.
So why you get a bus?
Yeah.
Couple of bites, le lo. Can we empty the
One video. Yeah, man. One more time.